Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Klaviyo for e-commerce SEO content marketing, beginner guide step by step clear. To set up Klaviyo for e-commerce SEO content marketing, start by creating your Klaviyo. Visit the Klaviyo website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to create your first list. Navigate to the Lists and Segments tab. Click on Create List and name it according to your target audience. Next, import your customer data into Klaviyo. Go to Lists and Segments, select your new list, then click Manage List. Choose Import Contacts and follow the prompts to upload your CSV file. Now that you have your list set up, focus on integrating Klaviyo with your e-commerce platform. In the dashboard, find the Integrations tab. Select your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect Klaviyo to your store. After integration, set up event tracking for better insights. Enable tracking for key actions, such as purchases and signups. Visit the Analytics tab to monitor customer behavior and engagement metrics. Create targeted email campaigns that align with your SEO content strategy. Go to Campaigns, then select Create Campaign. Choose an objective that matches your marketing goals, such as promoting a blog post or a product. Design your email using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor. Incorporate your SEO keywords naturally into your content. Use your data insights to segment your audience for better personalization. Once your email is ready, set the sending schedule that aligns with your audience's activity. After sending, analyze the performance through the Reports feature. Keep refining your campaigns based on open rates and click-through rates. Regularly update your email lists to ensure optimal engagement. Finally, continuously test different strategies and content types to improve your e-commerce marketing. Monitor trends in your analytics to stay ahead in the SEO content marketing space. With these steps, you will successfully set up Klaviyo for your e-commerce SEO content marketing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.